So welcome to tense. The phase 2 grammar has already started, and today we are going to do passive. We have already done passive sentences, but today we will be doing as per the tense boxes. Okay, so this is the first one. So let's see. I'll come out from the presentation. Yes. So yes, I was talking to
Me, Shivangi.
Shivangi. Shivangi, you tell me now. What will be the first sentence? The thief.
The thief have been handcuffed.
The thief have been handcuffed. The thief have been handcuffed. The thief have been handcuffed. Handcuff. Okay, yes. Very good, Shivangi. Okay, now we'll go to next speaker. Okay, now Devashis will be speaking. Either if Devashis, lot of sound coming, guys, please mute yourself. Okay, now Devashish, you have to tell the next one. If you think that this sentence is right, then you speak the next one, or else you correct this sentence.
I think it's right.
You think this sentence is right.
I think yes, sir.
Okay, then tell me the next sentence.
Continuous. Continuous. Handcuffed. Handcuffing.
We are doing passive, huh? Don't forget that.
The thief is being handcuffing.
You try. We are trying everything right now, so it's
So,
okay, fine.
passive continuous. What will be that?
Okay, so basically you are not that, but you can try some sentence here. See, we can go wrong, not a problem. We are trying right now, so we can go wrong.
Yes.
And it's fine. This is the place we can do wrong.
Thief was handcuffing. Have been handcuffing.
The thief has been.
Yes, the thief has been handcuffing. How is that?
Okay, now let's
It sounds very odd.
Okay, no, but
Sounds
fine.
very odd.
Handcuffing is the verb. Your verb is right. Okay, now we'll go to Sharup. Now, Sharup, you have two choices. If you feel some sentence is wrong, you can rectify that sentence, or else if you feel the sentences are right, then you can go to the next. Your voice is not reaching, by the way.
Hello.
Yeah, Sharup.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah. The sentence is police handcuff the thief. So
Police
present police handcuff the thief. So এখানে first হচ্ছে কি present indefinite. Present indefinite sentence
You have to speak only one sentence. You have to speak only one sentence. Either you speak what is wrong, or you speak the present perfect.
I mean the indefinite is wrong.
Okay, tell me what will be the indefinite.
Indefinite will be the thief is handcuffed.
The thief is handcuffed. Okay. Thank you very much.
By the police.
Okay, no,
by the police.
Shivangi ji,
Yes, sir.
this sentence is right. The thief is handcuffed.
So, I've forgotten that there's no verb.
You have to understand, if in active sentence you have one verb, then in passive we will have two. So the active sentence in present indefinite, the sentence is police handcuff the thief. Then we have only one verb, so we will have two verbs. And this handcuff will always be past participle. So it will be handcuffed only. And you are left with only one verb, which will be extra verb, and extra verb will come from be family. So if it is coming
Second.
from be family, no second, I'll go to some other person for that. So the right sentence is the thief is handcuffed.
Yes.
The thief is handcuffed. Okay, next is Sunita ji. You tell me the next sentence. जो आपको गलत लग रहा है तो उसको ठीक कीजिए.
The thief is being handcuffed.
Okay, so the continuous is the thief is being handcuffed. As we know that in passive sentence, there will not be any ing. All the verb will be with handcuffed only, past participle. And the active sentence is police is handcuffing the thief. So now is handcuffing. So is will come and handcuffing will become handcuffed. And in between is and handcuffed, there will be an, the extra verb from be family. So it will be depending on the partnership with the previous verb. So is there. So is from be family. Is will ask for present participle. That is the reason it is being. So the right sentence is the thief is being handcuffed. Okay, now we'll go to Shoma. Shoma, tell me the next sentence.
Is the thief
Yeah.
the thief has been handcuffed.
Okay. The thief has been handcuffed. Okay, fine. Okay, now Zeba, you have two choices. Either you correct any sentences if you feel there is wrong, then, or else you can speak the next sentences, whatever you feel.
सर सब ठीक है इसमें तीनों जो है.
Okay. So all sentences are right. So tell me the last sentence.
The thief has been being handcuffed.
Very good. Thief has been being handcuffed. Very good. Guys, those who are there and not so much confident, please look at the screen and try to understand and try to identify the sentences. Okay, now we'll go to the next speaker. We have Partho. Partho, tell me the past indefinite. Your voice is not coming, dear Partho. I don't know what to do. एक बार वो ईयरफोन को निकाल के फिर से घुसाओ देखो.
শোনা যাচ্ছে স্যার এবারে?
Yes, fine, done. I'm not an engineer, but sometimes I do wonders. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, Partho, tell me the past indefinite. Don't see so much of time, you will get confused then. Stop শোনা যাচ্ছে. You speak.
হ্যাঁ আমি বললাম মানে the thief was handicapped.
Handicapped. My God. Hey, handicapped nahi re. It's handcuffed.
Sorry.
Oh my God, what are you doing, Partho? The thief was handcuffed.
Sorry, আমি ভুল হয়ে গেছে এটা.
It's okay. I know it was a slip of tongue, but we all enjoyed this. Okay, thief was a handcuffed. That is great. Okay, fine. We'll go to the next speaker. We have next with us Chandon. Can you speak the next? No need to switch on the camera. You just speak.
স্যার আমার মানে নেটেরও একটা প্রবলেম হচ্ছে তো মানে আর তার মধ্যে মেসেজও আসলো যে net একদম
Okay, we'll go to next speaker, Shujoy.
And the thief was being handcuffed.
Okay, the thief was being handcuffed. So you can see the present sentences and the past sentences, there is similarity. In present it is handcuffed, in past it is was handcuffed. In present continuous it is being handcuffed, in past continuous it is was being handcuffed. So you can think in that way also, that all sentences are almost same as the present and past. Okay, now we'll go to the next speaker now. Yeah, Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me the next sentence.
Okay. Thief had been being handcuffed.
The thief had been being handcuffed. Sorry. The thief had been being handcuffed. Okay.
Sir, sir, এটা নেক্সট একটা বলছিলাম। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, এটা বলে দিচ্ছি। আমি মানে past perfect বলছিলাম, past perfect continuous.
I'm asking past perfect.
Okay. Thief had been handcuffed.
Okay, so thief had been handcuffed. Okay, fine. Now I'll go to yeah, Devashish again, the last sentence.
The thief had been being handcuffed.
Okay, so you understand, Devashish, that the more you practice, the more you play with these sentences, you will start getting the correct sentences. So very good. Okay, we'll go to the next sentence now. We'll go to Sunita ji. Yes.
The thief will be handcuffed.
Okay, very good. Thief will be. I don't know whether you people are writing these sentences or not. लेकिन अगर आप ये सब खुद के कॉपी में लिखोगे तो आपके लिए वो बेटर होगा. नहीं, I'm telling to everyone कि सिर्फ आप अपना वाला मत लिखना. All you should write the all so that you know that. Okay. Now we'll go to the next sentence. It's continuous and we have Shoma with us. Yeah, Shoma, tell me.
The thief will be.
Sir, will be হবে আগেরটাতে।
Wait. Oh, sorry.
हाँ, मैंने बोला था will be.
हाँ. Sorry, it was my mistake. Yeah. Yes, Shoma.
The thief will be being handcuffed.
कोई अगर सही बोले ना तो मुझे थोड़ा गुस्सा आता है, मैं करेक्ट नहीं कर पाता हूँ. कुछ गलत भी बोलो तुम लोग. Okay, so Sharup.
Yes.
Do some mistake.
The thief will have been handcuffed.
Okay.
Have been handcuffed.
Okay, very good. Okay, yes, I'll go to the Zeba. Do the last sentence.
The thief will have been handcuffed.
मतलब same like perfect.
Perfect नहीं sir. BEING being होगा.
अच्छा, ये bean नहीं होगा, BEEN नहीं होगा.
हाँ.
Okay, so BEING. The thief will have been handcuffed.
Yes sir.
Okay. So Siddharth, do you think the last sentence is right?
No, sir.
Okay, so there is wrong. Can you tell me the wrong sentence, right sentence?
Sorry. Let me check, sir. The thief will have been handcuffed. Sir, been was back, sir. Been missing, sir. Will have been being handcuffed.
Okay, so now this sentence is right. Zevaji, somehow you missed that been. Okay. BEING के आगे एक bean बैठेगा, तो somehow you people missed. Okay, guys, now what I will be doing, I will be giving you individual sentences and you are going to write all the tenses. Don't write, box. Making a box is not mandatory. You can write in sequence also. one by one. Okay, so first sentence is for Devashish. Devashish, your active sentences, you have to do only passive. Huh? Your active sentence is, we respect the truth. We respect the truth. We respect the truth. Okay, start doing it. I'll come to you again. Yeah, Shoma, your sentence is, they wrongly purchase a yellow car. They wrongly purchase a yellow car. Okay, Sunita ji, your sentence is, I see good people everywhere. I see good people everywhere. Okay. Yeah, Sharup, your sentence is, I feeded the dog. I feeded the dog.
FEEDED.
FEEDED. I feeded the dog. I feeded the dog. Okay.
All
Zeba
12
ji,
sentences have to do.
yeah, all 12 sentences, everyone. Huh? Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
Zeba ji, your sentence is, they force me to take decision. They force me to take decision.
पैसिव बनाना है सर ना.
Passive, huh? All 12 passive, huh? They force me to take decision. Okay, fine. Now, Partho, your sentence is, they all love me. They all love me. They all love me. Okay, Shivangi, your sentence is, they underestimate me every time. They underestimate me every time. They underestimate me every time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there anyone left? Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Siddharth, your sentence is, I left the boxes in the car. I left the boxes in the car.
So,
I left yeah.
convert all the sentences in affirmative.
All affirmative passive sentence.
Okay.
Passive sentence, all 12 sentences.
Okay, I also left.
Yeah, Sujay. Sujay, your sentences. I tasted the tea. I tasted the tea. I tasted the tea. Okay. Yeah, Chandan, you need the sentence. Chandan, okay, let me give. I think everyone has been given it.
So finish.
Okay, just a minute. Click here for details. Yeah, Shaurabh, you are ready? Yeah, Shaurabh, you can speak your sentence. By the time दूसरे लोग लिखते रहें कोई बात नहीं. Yeah,
Yes.
Shaurabh, you tell me the sentence. What was the
Sir, from
sentence?
start. That I feeded the dog.
Okay, yeah, very good sentence. Yeah, tell me.
The dog is feeded. The dog is being feeded. The dog has been feeded. The dog has been being feeded. The dog was feeded. The dog was being feeded. The dog had been feeded. The dog had been being feeded. The dog will be feeded. The dog will be being feeded. The dog will have been feeded. The dog will have been being feeded.
Very good, very good. All correct. Very nice. So this is the way you have to write and you have to speak also. You know, that was very good. So maybe in normal life, you will love to speak, you know, they feeded the dog. But now the time has come to start speaking in passive. You know, the dogs were feeded. So like that, you know, during this lockdown time when nobody is going out, those dogs were feeded by lot many people outside. Like that, you know, you start making passive sentences. This is very important. Very good. I'm very happy with your all the 12 out of 12. Okay, Devashish, you are ready.
The truth is respected. The truth is being respected. The truth has been respected. The truth has been being respected. The truth was respected. The truth was being respected. The truth had been respected. The truth had been being respected. The truth will be respected. The truth will be being respected. The truth will have been respected. The truth will be being respected. Will have the truth will have been being respected.
Yes, yes. Now all correct. Very good. Very nice. You know, you unnecessarily you take tension. Otherwise, you speak all right sentences. Yeah. Who is next? Shoma, you are ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Start.
My sentence is they wrongly purchased a yellow car.
Fine.
A yellow car is wrong. A yellow car is wrongly purchased. A yellow car is being wrongly purchased. A yellow car is. Sir, may I? Hello. A yellow car has been wrongly purchased. A yellow car have been being wrongly purchased. A yellow car was wrongly purchased. A yellow car was being wrongly purchased. A yellow car had been wrongly purchased. A yellow car had been being wrongly purchased. A yellow car will be wrongly purchased. A yellow car will be being wrongly purchased. A yellow car will have been wrongly purchased. A yellow car will have been being wrongly purchased.
Very good. Very good. What was the present perfect continuous?
Continuous, yes, has and have.
A yellow car has been being wrongly purchased.
Yeah. No, that time you said have.
Have.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh,
So
achha.
that was the reason.
Sorry,
But I
sorry.
know you did very good. Very nice. Yeah, Sunita ji, you are ready?
Yes, sir.
शकल में स्माइल रखिए और बोल दीजिए.
This, everyone is saw the good people.
हाँ, क्या मेरा
Yeah.
सेंटेंस क्या था?
I see good people, everyone.
Everyone, I see good people everywhere.
Oh, everywhere.
Everywhere. So आपके पास मैं फिर से आ रहा हूँ थोड़ी देर बाद, तब तक आप थोड़ा सा बना लीजिए. Okay, Partho, you are ready? Your voice is not reaching, Partho, again. No, not coming. I'll come to you, Partho, after some time. Okay, Shivangi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I am underestimated by them. I am being underestimated by them. I have been underestimated by them. I have been being underestimated by them. I was underestimated by them. I was being
Please, don't say bye. Bye वाला मत बोलिए, ठीक है?
okay. I was underestimated. I was being underestimated. I had been underestimated. I had been being underestimated. I will be underestimated. I will be being underestimated. I will have been underestimated. I will have been being underestimated.
Very good. Very nice. Very good, Shivangi. This time you spoke so well. I don't know why you take always tension. जब भी मैं कुछ बोलता हूँ आप बोलते हो सर वो क्लास नहीं किया, सर मैं वो क्लास नहीं किया, सर मैं वो क्लास नहीं किया।
सर ग्रामर में ही थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, बाकी सारे क्लासेस में तो
जी मतलब बाकी अब हम क्या करें, हम बोले बाकी सब ठीक है तो चलिए कोई बात नहीं, ऐसा थोड़ी। मेरे को तो वो
That's a common problem. That's a common problem.
Yeah. See, that is the reason, you know. अच्छा आप लोग को मेरे ग्रामर क्लास में डर लगता है कि केके सर के ग्रामर क्लास में डर लगता है? थोड़ा पूछना।
केके सर के ग्रामर क्लास में डर लगता है?
ग्रामर क्लास में आधा तो आता ही नहीं है सर।
हमको तो बहुत डर लगता है केके सर से।
इसलिए सर तो केके सर पिछले 2 हफ्ते से ग्रामर क्लास किया ही नहीं। But during last 2 weeks केके सर ग्रामर क्लास किया ही नहीं। उस दिन पीडी क्लास हो रहा है and the guys who have not had
my sentence is I left the boxes in the car. Okay.
Yeah.
The boxes in the car is left. The boxes in the car is being left. The boxes in the car has been left. The boxes in the car has been being left. The boxes in the car was left. Boxes in the car was being left. The boxes in the car had been left. The boxes in the car had been being left. The boxes in the car will be left. The boxes in the car will be being left. The boxes in the car will have been left. The boxes in the car will have been being left.
Okay, very good. Grammatically, there were I think 2-3 mistakes, but I think the arrangement could have been better. The arrangement was not that appropriate. You did, it was not wrong. You said the boxes in the car. What was the first sentence? The boxes in the car.
I left the boxes in the car.
Yes. So the boxes in the car, the first sentence you said.
Yes. The boxes in the car is left.
Now you are talking about boxes, then how can you say is there?
No, sorry, are. Yes. Now
So so many things will be changed. Are, where, have. So you have to work on all those corrections. But still, I would say this sentence could have been better if you would have said the boxes were left in the car. The boxes are left in the car. The boxes are being left in the car. The boxes have been left in the car. So in the car, that, you know, we talked in our previous classes, if we find any preposition, we will speak it later.
Okay. So.
Okay, the time we find any preposition, we'll speak it later, and before that, we'll speak at the first. Are you getting that?
Yes, sir.
I think that will be more appropriate. The boxes are left in the car.
Okay. If there is any preposition, we just keep it last of the sentence.
Yes, but what you said, that was also right, grammatically right. But you know,
but it sounds bad.
It sounds not bad, but bit uncomfortable, you know, unnecessarily.
Yes, sir, I understand.
The boxes were left in the car, like that. Okay, yes, so we have the next speaker. Who is next?
Sir,
Yeah, Partho, you go ahead.
sir?
Yes.
Sir, sentence they all love me.
They all love you, huh? You're so lucky. Go ahead.
So, I am loved. I am being loved. I have been loved. I have been being loved. I was loved. I was being loved. I had been loved. I had been. I will be loved. I will be being loved. I will have been loved. I will have been being loved.
लव का मौसम था, इतना 12 बार लव ही हुआ, and you, and every time you were loved. Very good. Okay, we'll go to the next one. All the sentences were correct, Partho. Very good. Okay, we'll go to the next.
Thank you, sir.
Shujoy.
Yes.
Yeah.
My sentence is I tested the tea.
Okay, you tasted the tea. Yeah. Go ahead.
The tea is tested. Tea is being tested. Tea has been tested. Tea has been being tested. The tea was tested. Tea was being tested. Tea had been tested. Tea had been being tested. Tea will be tested. Tea will be being tested. Tea will have been tested. Tea will have been being tested.
Very good. Very good. Very nice. All correct. Very good. You know, you people are now understanding the passive well. So that's a good news. At least, you know, so we have to make a balance. Whenever we speak in English, we have to make a balance of active and passive sentences. And always remember how you justify that when should I use active and passive. The answer is whenever you speak, if you think that, you know, your active is more important here, then you speak in active sentence. Means your subject part is more important here, then speak active sentence. When you think, no, here the passive sentence, the ROP is more important, then you speak the active, you know, the passive sentence. You have to do like that. Okay. Like if I say, my wife cooked mutton. So now I have to understand that here, which is more exciting? My wife is more exciting or mutton is more exciting? So in this case, I will always say mutton is more exciting and I will say mutton is being cooked. I think now you are understanding this, right? So like that, you have to make the priority that which should be started. If you think who killed him, right? You know, like Swarup killed Partho. So यहाँ पे दोनों important है, जिसका मर्डर हुआ वो भी और जो मर्डर किया वो भी. तो इसमें आपका फ्रीडम है. Either you say Swarup killed Partho or you say Partho was killed. Okay, so this is the way you decide how you will speak. Okay, did I go to Zeba already? Okay, Zeba is
No,
left.
sir.
And okay, Zeba, you have to tell me, no?
Sir, मेरा sentence था, they force me to take decision.
हाँ, yes, yes, very good.
So I am forced to take decision.
Very good.
I'm being forced to take decision. I have been forced to take decision. I have been being forced. I was forced. I was being forced. I had been forced. I had been being forced. I will be forced. I will be being forced. I will have been forced, or I will have been.
Okay, okay, good. Shortcut में चला दिया आप. So
Sir,
good. Who is left? अच्छा हाँ, Sunita ji, right. Your sentence was?
I see good people everywhere.
Oh wow.
The good people is होगा ना sir?
The good people are.
हाँ, वही मुझे भी
People है तो are होगा.
Are
right?
होगा.
Yes.
The good people are saw everywhere.
Up.
The good.
Saw नहीं seen.
Oh.
Past
मैंने seen लिखा था
participle.
फिर काट दिया मैंने.
Past participle is seen. Yes.
Okay. The good people. The good people are being seen everywhere. The good people has been seen everywhere.
Has been नहीं होगा, have been होगा.